Something new I want to try this week. I want to document everything we have for dinner. It just pops in my head, so we're going to do it. Tonight, Mommy is being lazy. We're having frozen potato soup. It looks good, though. Hold on. Look at that. Yum, yum. Good morning, guys. It's Monday morning. We're going to start this morning off right. Or this week off right, actually, by starting our morning off right with some banana oatmeal pancakes. Let's make them. This is what we need. Oats, 2 bananas. Oh, these are eggs, 2 eggs and 2 bananas. And you don't want to forget about flavoring. I'm going to use vanilla extract as my flavoring. Okay, first thing we're going to do is peel and squish the bananas. Also, don't forget to spray down your pan. One cup of Quaker Oats. 2 eggs. And you don't want to put too much. I'm just going to put a little bit of vanilla. You don't need a lot. There we go. It's just for some taste. And now all you do is cook them like pancakes. Super easy. So this is how big I'm making them. And this is what they look like when they're done. They look pretty yummy. I'm going to feed it to my twins and see if they will like them. All right, boys. How are you liking it? Oh, Sam is loving it. Look at that face. Hey, Seth. He's just eating his cereal. You got to try the pancake Mommy just made. Sam enjoys it at least. Hey guys, I am back with tonight's dinner. This is looking like it's going to be a cooking video, like a really long one, I guess. So for tonight's dinner, I am making a Sloppy Joe casserole. Something new I want to try. I found the recipe on Facebook, so let's give it a whirl. Okay, so from my understanding, it is looking like it is literally manwich with noodles, and you pop it in the oven with some cheese. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 350, and then brown your meat. Add in some onions and your manwich sauce, and cook your noodles. Let's do it. All right, guys, I just remembered I actually don't have any, I don't have any manwich sauce, so I'm having to make my own, and all I put in mine is tomato sauce, Worcestershire sauce. It's traditionally made with yellow mustard. I ended up putting brown mustard because I don't have any yellow mustard. Oh, and brown sugar. That's what I forgot. Brown sugar. But you can definitely use the stuff in the can. The only reason I'm making my own is because I don't have the stuff in the can. And I completely forgot that I didn't have any in the can. Once your noodles and your beef is cooked, you're going to pour in your sauce. Some Velveeta cheese. I use the Velveeta cheese packets. And then some shredded Colby Jack cheese. Yeah, we're making dinner. And some shredded Colby Jack cheese. And then you're just going to put that all into a casserole dish. Put it in the oven for 25 minutes. At 350. So since my kids are really, really fussy and they're starving, I am just going to put this in the oven long enough to melt the cheese. You're supposed to put it in there for 25 minutes, but everything's already cooked all the way through. All right, guys, it is done. I am so excited to try this. This is the best thing I have ever made. We're ending this cooking video on me making my hubby's favorite meal, my chicken Alfredo pizza. It's going to be for his birthday dinner, and I am so excited. Let's get started. Okay, so we have chopped up our chicken. I have put it in this bowl. What I'm going to do is put my seasonings, some avocado oil, and then wrap it and put it in the fridge until dinner time. Now that we have prepped the chicken, we're just putting it in the fridge, and we'll be back in about 3 hours. So I'm not gonna lie, I just forgot to record what I was doing. I hope you guys can hear. But I have cooked the chicken. I have pre-cooked the pizza dough, and I have already put pesto on it, so we're gonna go ahead and put the rest of the ingredients on the pizza. Now you just put it in the oven for the time of your pizza crust, and it's done. Easy. I hope you guys enjoyed the slew of cooking videos. They're really easy recipes that I make a lot.